aircraft is a P-51 Mustang. I enjoy it because of the power and all the history that goes into it.
Ek is 'n vliegtuig P-51 Mustang. It's a classic.
My favorite aircraft is the Boeing 747 because it's a nice workhorse.
My favorite aircraft is the Gripen because of the speed and the sound.
Mustang Sally.
My favorite aircraft is the Jabiru because it's so reliable and has so much power.
It is very important to check the weather because you never know. The weather is unpredictable and you can't change it. So you have to know whether it's going to rain, it's sunny, so that you even know how to dress up.